anong pag-uusapan natin? Hello. Hi.
Hello, welcome to our
Podcast. Josh.
Johanna.
Johanna.
Hanjo podcast. Hanjos
Ano ba yung
podcast.
sinabi ni Rexon?
Ano?
Nasa natin? Sa name. May sinabi siyang name
Nakalimutan
natin.
ko. Nakalimutan ko.
Doon ako natawa eh. Yung ano. Basta something na yung name tapos malapit. Parang hiwalay. Malapit ang hiwalay. Ganun yung to. Ayun. So, anong pag-usapan natin?
Maganda may unan ka rin. Parang, alam mo yung mga,
Cozy.
yung mga podcast. Yung mga podcast na cozy. And also, lapit ka sa camera.
Hi. Hello. Hello.
This is marriage therapy. Even though walang problema sa... Hindi naman like walang problema.
May problem, right?
Lakas naman yung boses mo kasi wala tayong
Okay.
budget for me. Speech enhancement lang ng Pixel.
May problem pa din, pero we're working on it.
And also, sa tingin ko, we worked on it.
Yeah.
About relationship ba ang topic natin or political landscape ng Pilipinas na may ginastos na 31 billion si BBM.
BBM ba?
Dinidistract niya yung si Carlos Yulo. Ayun yung tinatopic niya. 31 billion nata. Basta something 10 billion.
Sa balita ba?
Hindi binalita. Pero may mga confidential funds.
Saan yung ginamit? Sino ito ginamit?
Confidential na eh. So, hindi mo
hindi
pwede malaman.
So,
Confidential talaga. Lakas mo ang boses mo, bro.
yeah. Yan. Saan kaya ginamit yun?
Lakasan mo yung boses mo.
Saan niya kaya ginamit yun?
Kaya ginamit yun.
If may mic tayo, malakas.
Kung may mic tayo, hindi natin kailangan ng malakas.
So, gusto
Meron.
mo bumili ng mic?
Pag may pera na tayo. How about personal goals?
I think my personal goals, ngayon kasi, since wala pa akong resources, kailangan ko muna mag-Spanish. Yun yung goal. Goal natin parehas. Kailangan ko mag-Spanish. And, magkaroon tayo ng comfortable life. Magbili natin yung gusto natin. And then, few years, like 1 to 3 years, ganyan. Pwede na ako makabili ng resources ko. Kasi, kaya ako naman sinabing 1 to 3 years, Pep. Kasi pag nakapag-Spanish na ako, pwede tayong mag-travel. Focus tayo sa travel. Tayo muna. And then, pwede na ako bumili ng resources ko for music.
Travel mo na ba kayo sa music?
Yeah, I think.
Pwede naman pagsabayin. Tingin ko. Sa budget natin. Especially pag nag-Spanish ka.
Pwede naman natin i-budget din.
We make 400% more.
Yeah.
Hindi naman, 200% more than what you're currently having.
Yun. Akala ko kasi, mas okay ba yung ganun? Kasi parang mas gusto ko na focus muna tayo lang before.
That is the question sa podcast namin. So, mas okay ba na mag-focus sa career? Ano ba?
Yeah. Kasi, focus ako sa career, tapos focus din ako sa traveling natin. Gusto ko parang tayo muna. Kasi hindi naman tayo mag-aanak. Hindi naman tayo mag-aanak. So, parang focus tayo sa relationship. Focus ako sa work. And then in few years time, 1 to 3 years, that's my goal. Na, syempre, meron din akong pangbigay kila nanay, kila tatay. 1 to 3 years time, pwede na akong sa akin naman. If I want magpe-pursue music. Pero magpa-practice pa rin ako kahit hindi ko agad ma-pursue dun.
I mean, it's not naman na expensive to start your music career. It's more of ano ba mga kailangan mo?
Wait lang.
Lang. Baka mag-lock po ang aming yun nga. So it's really hard to be prioritizing. Yun nga yung sabi, you cannot serve two masters at the same time. Pero I don't think that it's really serving as a master when it comes to pursuing two things at once. Because I'm not really sure na 100 kasi hindi naman tayo constantly na magta-travel.
Parang nag-iipon pa rin naman tayo before tayo.
Yeah, it's more of one burst at a time. Like once every 6 months, 3 months, 4 months. I think that's the goal. You don't really travel in a span of a month.
Yeah.
Travel.
So bagay, pwede pa rin ako mag-practice.
Maganda kung dito yung boses mo.
Pwede pa rin ako mag-practice.
Yeah. Sorry po kasi this is our very first podcast na hindi naman talaga para sa inyo to. Para sa aming dalawa talaga to. Kasi I think it's healthy na may parang may
And parang gusto natin parehas ng may communication. Parang nagiging
another form of communication. Kasi if you're just communicating with each other without a parang third party outlet.
Yeah.
It's it's different. It's a different kind of communication. Like right now, I have this certain type of voice. You don't hear this. You don't hear this na pag travel tayo, nakausap kita.
Yeah.
You're hearing this right now.
Yes.
Because I'm pandering or changing my voice to the audience. And also care about quality of the video itself.
Pero this is nice.
And also ang ADHD ko. So nakilang topic na tayo from the event in the span of a couple of minutes. Pero yun nga, let's go back to the main topic. Is it really in prioritizing your career? So how do you see yourself na 1 to 3 years? Why that? Is it arbitrary? Like 1 to 3 years binato mo lang, or more of 1 to 3 years kasi yung na-foresee mo like numerically?
Kasi kasi yun talaga yung na-foresee ko, yung 1 to 3 years, I think. And then like gusto kong i-master, especially sa Spanish, ganun. And then maybe magkakaroon ako ng panibagong goal. Kasi yun nga pag Spanish ako, meron comfortable life.
You can discover yourself right after traveling. I think that's a given that you follow my footsteps when it comes to the career. Kasi you've already started and not really no going back. It's just that this is a much better, a viable career than before.
Yes.
Because dati nag-HR ano ba yung research assistant sa isang school. Now she is back office sa isang BPO.
Yeah. And
because this is the career path that I know.
Yeah.
And I'm not saying that I'm controlling.
You're not controlling.
It's a healthcare accounting. Or more of financial turning into IT career. And I think dun na yung divergence ng ating career path, especially next year. That's what I'm expecting. Kasi I'll be studying Japanese and I'll be studying cybersecurity, which is very far off. Ano ba yung next mo after Spanish? You don't know yet.
I still don't know.
Yeah, that's why yung travel, yung hobbies,
I think, dun ko rin matidiscover of anong pwede kong gawin next. Yun.
Or having fun.
Yes.
I am too.
I don't know, it's nice. It is nice. And, I guess, parang ang sarap lang sa feeling.
Because you have a direction.
And, kasama ko yung husband ko at the same time best friend. Kasi parang yung best friend kita, alam ibang friends.
Kung ako naman si Angel.
I mean, we're friends. Kasi, hindi naman kami super ganito.
I think friendship, daming factors when it comes to relationship. There's friendship, there's confiding with each other. Confiding? Ano ba? Confiding. Like secrets. Like being open to your partner.
Yeah.
Yun.
And I've never been more open. Ganun ka din. Sa another person. Kasi hindi rin ganun kay Angel. Ikaw din ako, hindi ganun kay Rex or
maganda taas ang boses mo, Beb.
Ayun. So, yun.
Double the volume. Kanina pa kita pinapagalitan. Ano ba? Natutulog ba sila?
Hindi kasi bumaba sila.
Bakit?
Kasi you wanna talk about something. I wanna ask you a question.
Paano mo?
Hindi kasi sexual question.
I-upload natin to, babe.
Oh, sorry. Shit!
Kaya,
Pwede ko bang tanong gano'n?
Ha?
Pwede ko bang itanong gano'n?
I-upload natin ito, makikita nila.
Shit. Okay.
So, alasan mo yung boses mo, babe. Kailangan
Kasi wala kami sariling place. And we're both anxious.
Tomorrow, viewing tayo.
Oh, yeah.
Exciting part. Yeah. We're excited.
Yeah.
Pwede daw mag-hazard sa may tapat ng Avida Tower.
Why?
Sa may BGC.
Oh,
kasi diba sa
okay.
BGC, may isa sa BGC, may isa sa Mandaluyong.
Oo.
May isa sa Fairview.
Ay, kamusta pala yung Fairview? Nag-reply ba?
Hindi nga nag-scene lang sa akin.
Feeling ko dun yun sa Viber.
Dito mo lang, base here.
Feeling ko dun sa
Viber.
Viber.
Mahirap lang mag-podcast with you. Kasi andito yung boses ko. Feeling ko sobrang prominent ng boses ko, sa'yo wala.
Yeah, I'm sorry, kasi I'm working na.
Like, you work? Wow.
10.
Wow. Working. Pwede naman magsalita dito, tapos sisilip dito lang. Ganun. Ano factors? Wala kang cases, oh.
Yeah. Meron ng cases, hindi pa lang nag-i-start. So, huwag niyo akong gayahin.
So, it's Friday, babe.
Yeah.
It's Friday shift.
And kaya naman, mabilis lang yun. Anyways, sana tayo. So,
lakas
tomorrow...
Lakas mo. Like, doble yung volume.
Kanina pa ako pinagsasabihan. Sorry po.
Oh.
And tomorrow, mag-viewing
ayaw talaga
tayo.
niyang humarap sa camera.
Tomorrow,
para doon yung boses niya pumunta. Yung trajectory. Ganyan po yung hirap ko. Sa relationship na to, laging hindi ko po marinig si Hana. Lagi
mainin
po.
kasi yung magsalita.
Hindi siya mainhin. Engot mag-communicate. Kung makikita nyo pa yung mga uploads siya sa mga My Day, makikita nyo, gumagano'n po yan. So, diyan kapag kakausapin mo siya, kapag kunwari kakausapin mo siya, titingin siya sa kabila para yung boses niya doon sa kabilang trajectory. Kasi hindi mo maririnig. Tapos, ang late ng bibig. Tingnan mo yung late.
Joseph?
And also, ilumins ba? Yung 15 minutes na, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you,